Basic fairness means that the government can't punish you for violating a rule without first providing some notice of the rule's existence. But what about when a party knows that a rule does exist, but doesn't know of the government's interpretation of the rule? That was the issue presented in General Electric Company versus United States Environmental Protection Agency. General Electric Company, or GE, operated factories that decommissioned electric transformers. The transformers contained dielectric fluid, which is full of polychlorinated biphenyls, or PCBs, a dangerous pollutant. The Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, regulated the safe disposal of PCBs. One permissible method of disposal, which GE used, was to drain the transformer and put it in a chemical waste landfill. The regulations required companies that used the landfill disposal method to incinerate the drained fluid. In 1987, GE changed its disposal method. Instead of immediately incinerating the drained fluid, GE partially recycled it by heating it to boil off a portion of the fluid, a process known as distillation. The vapor that boiled off contained almost no PCBs. The vapor was later allowed to recondense into liquid freon that GE recycled. GE then incinerated the portion of the fluid that didn't boil off, which contained a high concentration of PCBs. The EPA filed a complaint against GE, alleging that the intervening distillation process violated EPA regulations, which it interpreted to require immediate incineration of fluid containing PCBs, with no intermediate steps. After an administrative hearing, the EPA imposed a $25,000 fine on GE, which was upheld on administrative appeal. GE then sought judicial relief from the District of Columbia Circuit Court of Appeals. GE challenged both the EPA's interpretation of the regulations and the imposition of a fine. GE argued that the EPA had violated its due process rights because GE had no notice of the EPA's interpretation of the disposal regulations.